I've been using CapCut for video, as I've shown before. I've also been using this DeepSeek Chinese AI tool, and it's really been sort of fun to say, well, what is the CapCut business model? And what this tool does is it reasons in front of you and it says, okay, let me try and figure out what this guy wants me to do. It's talking to itself. And I find it instructive to look at how computers are made to reason and the steps they go through, because that can help us as we attack problems as well. I took its output and asked it to format it in Markdown. And in Markdown format, I just copied that response and I copied it into CueCam. So I'm going to start a new project and I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to take this code and copy it. It says copy. It's now been copied to my clipboard. I'm going to now paste it into CueCam. I now have this text and it's given me some headlines. What's exciting to me about this is what shows on my teleprompter. So when I start the presentation, CapCut's business model appears right on my teleprompter. And I'm going to take a picture of that, and then I'm going to drop that picture over to my Mac. I'm going to airdrop it, and I'm going to drop it into the, and there it is. So that section up here, that's my teleprompter, and it's right below the camera of my iPad. So my teleprompter is now giving me text. CapCut was developed by ByteDance, which is TikTok's parent company. And it has multiple business models, a freemium offering, some advertising, partnerships driven by AI. So the key revenue strategies is freemium, which is a free basic editing tools. And that's what I use. I don't go for the AI generated scripts and watermarks. They're letting me use it now for free like 6 times, or I would have to pay $70 a year. Interesting. And they put inobtrusive ads, which I haven't really noticed, and people pay for the ad-free experience. And then they offer enterprise solutions that they just launched for business and professional creators. So financially, they're saying $1.3 billion is being generated with this business of CapCut, driven by triple-digit growth. 60% of revenue comes from subscriptions. So that means people love the tool. I think they must have a lot of people on TikTok just using this as their platform. And it integrates into the 490 million user TikTok ecosystem. And when you do your math, you're looking at, well, $100 a year for $1 billion. You're looking at 100,000 users. And so they expect a lot of challenges from Adobe and other people, and there are data privacy concerns. CapCut's success stems from balancing free tools with premium upgrades. So there we have a nice little presentation in which I'm reading off of my teleprompter. So building a script in AI allows me to see it in front of me, and I can adjust what I say, but it gives me an outline, and that's very valuable.